multi-vendor marketplaces like Amazon, Alibaba, and eBay have transformed online shopping. Now, there's a growing interest in creating similar platforms to reach a broader audience. Setting up a WooCommerce marketplace is a convenient way to start, thanks to WordPress and its array of plugins. Today, we'll explore the best WooCommerce multi-vendor plugins to help you navigate the options and make informed choices. These plugins offer a range of features to enhance your marketplace. 6 Best WooCommerce Multi-Vendor Plugins for E-commerce Store in 2024. What are WooCommerce multi-vendor plugins? WooCommerce simplifies launching an online store by managing products, payments, shipping, and taxes. With hundreds of extensions available, it offers flexibility and enhancement. Multi-vendor functionality allows multiple sellers on one platform, controlled by a centralized system. A WooCommerce multi-vendor plugin facilitates transactions and commissions, connecting buyers and sellers. Pairing it with a fast WooCommerce theme optimizes performance. Dokan Multivendor Marketplace. No matter what type of multivendor store or marketplace you are trying to build, Dokan is the most suitable solution that you will find inside WordPress. Dokan extends the capabilities of the most popular e-commerce plugin, WooCommerce, providing the best front-end experience combined with the exceptional features that every marketplace needs. It is the must-have multi-vendor plugin on the market right now. Whether you are trying to build a marketplace for digital products, physical products, an auction site, or a site to sell bookings, Dokan can do it all. Next one in the list. WCFM Marketplace. The WCFM Marketplace from WC Lovers is a WooCommerce multi-vendor plugin that comes with plenty of features to give you overwhelming control over your online marketplace. It's perfect for those who look forward to a great deal of flexibility. With WCFM, every vendor gets a vendor mobile app with deep monitoring and customization opportunities over their products, bookings, inquiry, reports, etc. For example, if a vendor needs to change the name, price, stock, or image of a product, they can do it quickly with the app. Vendors can also monitor their commissions, refunds, withdrawals, ledger book, store invoices, and shipment tracking. Next one in the list. MultiVendorX. MultiVendorX, formerly WC Marketplace, is a dependable WooCommerce multi-vendor plugin. It comes with an effortless setup procedure, especially considering the number of functionalities offered. MultiVendorX provides the admin with convenient authority over the marketplace, including views, sales, sales reports, and commission sections. Furthermore, there are various commission plans to choose from, offering you greater flexibility. There are also a ton of built-in features that you can search for, add, and utilize. MultiVendorX Dashboard. Additional noteworthy features of this plugin include convenience in vendor tracking, consolidated order and refund manager, etc. Lastly, it allows the visitors to pay however they want by offering multiple payment processing options. Next one in the list. WC Vendors Marketplace. The WooCommerce multi-vendor plugin WC Vendors Marketplace focuses on extending your marketplace by providing numerous functionalities. Getting started with WC Vendors is very comfortable with its smooth configuration options. WC Vendors Marketplace Vendor Dashboard. This plugin stands in a unique position in terms of usability. It offers you centralized administration over your entire marketplace and vendor storefronts, providing a comprehensive front-end dashboard. This means you can focus on the marketing and sales growth of your online marketplace. Next one in the list. YITH WooCommerce Multivendor. The YITH WooCommerce Multivendor plugin is one of the most prominent WooCommerce multi-vendor plugins in recent times. With the YITH marketplace, you can earn passive income from the sales of users who publish their products on your site. The YITH multi-vendor plugin allows you to select multiple administrators, create product catalogs, and arrange specific marketing campaigns. Next one in the list. YITH WooCommerce Vendor Commissions Panel. What's more, you can create a primary multi-vendor store with global commission rates, have super admin control, and generate automated reports for your sales and commissions. Notably, the super admin feature allows you to manage vendors' accounts and sales. Next one in the list. VendorPro. VendorPro is a multi-vendor WooCommerce WordPress plugin crafted especially for the user who regards affiliate e-commerce as their principal interest. This plugin significantly empowers you to progress in your business with numerous affiliate sellers. Inviting several affiliate sellers, allowing them to establish a business in your store, and generating commissions from their sales are the principal abilities of VendorPro's multi-vendor e-commerce WordPress plugin. These were the best WooCommerce multi-vendor plugins for e-commerce store in 2024. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.